Welcome to the best pick. The best turkey oven bags is probably one of the most convenient and mess-free ways to cook your holiday bird, ensuring a moist and flavorful result every single time without the need for basting or constant monitoring. These bags are designed to trap steam and juices, creating a self-basting environment that locks in moisture and enhances the natural flavors of the turkey, making your cooking experience significantly easier and delivering a perfectly cooked centerpiece for your festive meal. Number 5. Reynolds Kitchen's Turkey Oven Roasting Bags. Introducing Reynolds Kitchen's Turkey Oven Roasting Bags, designed to make your holiday cooking effortless. This pack includes 2 large bags, perfect for turkeys up to 24 pounds. Our oven bags are designed to seal in moisture, ensuring your turkey stays incredibly moist, tender, and delicious. Enjoy perfect results with every use. Say goodbye to messy cleanup. These bags prevent splatters and spills, making your post-meal chores a breeze. Spend more time with your loved ones and less time scrubbing. These bags are versatile, perfect for roasting, brining, or even lining your roasting pan to prevent messes. They are BPA-free and oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Each bag comes with oven-safe nylon flap ties to ensure a strong, secure closure. This keeps the juices in and the heat distributed evenly for optimal roasting. Don't worry about fitting your holiday centerpiece. These large bags measure 19 by 23.5 inches and can accommodate turkeys and other meats weighing up to 24 pounds. What we like? This option is perfect for large gatherings and big families. If you're roasting a turkey up to 24 pounds, this is the bag for you. Its ability to seal in moisture means less stress and more delicious results, making cleanup a breeze. What people say? These oven bags are great for roasting turkey, keeping it moist and tender. Easy to use and clean up is a breeze with these bags. The bags are large enough to accommodate even a big turkey. Number 4. WRAPOK Oven Cooking Bags, 16 large-size bags. Introducing our oven cooking bags, designed for your convenience. Made from high-quality, BPA-free materials, they ensure your food is cooked safely and deliciously every time. Simply place your favorite meats and vegetables inside. These bags lock in moisture and flavor, resulting in incredibly juicy, tender, and flavorful meals with minimal effort. Tired of scrubbing greasy pans? Our bags prevent splatters, keeping your oven and microwave spotless. Just discard the bag after use for a truly mess-free experience. Withstanding temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, these bags are perfect for a variety of cooking methods including baking, roasting, and microwaving. They are ideal for everything from turkey to fish. Each bag measures a generous 17 by 21.5 inches, providing ample space for larger cuts of meat or multiple ingredients. This pack includes 16 bags, ensuring you're ready for any meal. Whether it's Thanksgiving turkey, chicken, or fish, these bags are your best choice. They are designed to deliver perfect results for a wide range of meats and poultry. What we like? For those who want a truly effortless cooking experience, this is the way to go. If you dislike scrubbing pans after cooking, these bags are a game changer. They are ideal for cooking a variety of meats and vegetables, ensuring juicy and tender meals with minimal cleanup. What people say? Great for keeping food moist and tender. Easy to use, just place food inside and seal. Oven bags are durable and don't leak. Number 3. Home Select Turkey Size Oven Bags. Introducing Home Select Oven Bags, designed to make your cooking experience easier and cleaner. These bags are perfect for roasting your holiday turkey to perfection. Each package contains 3 generously sized bags, specifically designed to accommodate even the largest turkeys. Enjoy hassle-free cooking and cleanup with these convenient bags. Experience excellent quality without breaking the bank. We believe in providing great value for all your household essentials. From cooking to cleaning, Home Select offers a wide range of products to meet all your home needs. Trust us to provide reliable solutions for your daily life. These oven bags come in a compact package, measuring 6.69 inches in height, 0.06 inches in length, and 8.74 inches in width. They are easy to store and ready to use whenever you need them. What we like? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, consider this. It's a straightforward choice for your turkey roasting needs, offering good quality at a great price. This is a solid pick for everyday home use and holiday meals alike. What people say. Makes cleanup a breeze. No more greasy pans to scrub. Roast comes out moist and tender. Number 2. Reynolds Nylon Oven Bags. Introducing the Reynolds Nylon Oven Bags. Simplify your meal preparation and enjoy delicious results every time. These bags are designed to lock in moisture and flavor, ensuring your food comes out perfectly juicy and delicious. Say goodbye to the hassle of basting. Just place your ingredients in the bag and let the oven do the work. Ideal for creating warm, hearty dinners with minimal effort. They make cooking a breeze. Simply pop it in the oven and relax. Cleanup is a breeze too, as the bag contains any mess. Get a total of 8 bags in this convenient pack. You'll have plenty for multiple meals. What we like. This multipack is designed for convenience and consistently delicious outcomes. If you want to avoid the hassle of basting while still achieving moist and flavorful roasts, these are an excellent choice. They are perfect for anyone who enjoys hearty dinners without the extra effort. What people say. These oven bags are great for roasting turkey, keeping it moist and tender. Easy to use and clean up is a breeze with these bags. The bags are durable and don't tear easily during cooking. Number 1. Reynolds Large Oven Bags, 5 count. Introducing Reynolds Large Oven Bags, a pack of 5 generously sized bags designed for your convenience in the kitchen. Make mealtime a breeze with these innovative bags. They lock in natural juices during cooking, ensuring your meats and vegetables are incredibly moist, tender, and flavorful. Tired of scrubbing pans? Simply line your favorite baking sheets or pans with these roasting bags. They prevent food from sticking, making cleanup quick and easy. Each bag comes with heat and food-safe nylon ties. Use them to securely seal in moisture, guaranteeing perfectly cooked results every time. These BPA-free and oven-safe bags are perfect for roasting a whole chicken, ham, or your favorite sheet pan creations. Enjoy delicious meals with peace of mind. What we like. This option is great for those who appreciate a good quantity for their needs. If you're looking for a reliable way to keep meats and vegetables moist and tender, these bags are a fantastic choice. They simplify meal preparation and cleanup, making them ideal for busy cooks. What people say. These bags are great for roasting turkey. They keep the turkey moist and tender, and they make cleanup a breeze. I love using these bags for roasting chicken. The chicken comes out perfectly cooked every time, and the cleanup is so easy. These bags are a game changer for roasting. They ensure even cooking and prevent the meat from drying out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.